Yeah, hi, my name's Chris French. Run a company called French Electrical. The company was established in 1974. We have varied work between residential, commercial and industrial. And today we run a team of 30 guys. Schneider is a preferred supplier for French Electrical. At French Electrical, we've been using the Schneider product for our home automation for the last 2 decades, mainly using the CBOS platform. With Schneider's new offers of Wiser, Bluetooth and wireless, it's definitely made the market a lot stronger. I believe we'll close the gap between fully automated home and a retrofit home. With the new products available, we can now turn switches on and off via Alexa. We can turn switches on and off from overseas, and our phone is obviously what everyone wants to be able to use these days. The benefits I see with using Wiser is there's so many options within the suite. The thing I like the most about the Wiser, it's really easy to use. Obviously you have an app on your phone, push and play, really easy to set up. I can use Alexa at home to turn off my lights at the office. My favourite function by far has been that I can schedule all my lights to turn off at certain hours during the day. That means no more kids leaving lights on all day. Very good for power saving. The opportunities are endless, and obviously it's still growing. We're really excited to be part of this program. I see massive benefits for our clients, especially in the retrofit market, and we're really pleased to be partnered with Schneider's to see this through.